Shalom. Welcome back. First and foremost, I want to give all glory, praises, and honors to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shai. I want to give double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and salutations to you, Akim, pushing his word in sincerity and in truth. Back with another lesson, and this is going to be pretty quick, dealing with the future of jobs, man. All right. We see what's going on as far as the recession and interest rates rising, right, which is making everything more expensive. And these companies are getting ready to lay off in mass numbers. But this article is from the Wall Street Journal. I just want to read a little bit of it and hit a precept because you're going to have more and more protests, uproars of the people, clashes, civil wars, sedition among men. All these things prophesied in the scriptures are finna hit full force, right? So the name of this article is Meet the Army of Robots Coming to Fill in for Scarce Workers. And workers really aren't scarce. It's just that these companies ain't paying livable wages. And people is like, fuck it, man. All right. And now with things about to slow down in the economy as far as creation of jobs, uh, these companies are going to push this these robots even more, man. All right. Automation, so you can understand. It says a new wave of robots is arriving, and in a world short of workers, business leaders are more eager to welcome them than ever. A combination of hard-pressed employers, technological leaps, and improved cost effectiveness has fueled a rapid expansion of the world's robot army. 500,000 industrial robots were installed globally last year, according to data released Thursday, right? It says by the trade group International Federation of Robotics, an all-time high exceeding the previous record set in 2018 by 22%. It says the total population of industrial robots in the world has now reached an all-time 3.5 million, which exceeds the population of every U.S. city except New York and Los Angeles, according to the Federation. So all these jobs in warehouses, assembly lines, that people work at in mass number, you're gonna see what robots, man. All right, and Esau is such a damn devil. What is he? I know it's a means to an end, but once he get rid of these jobs and these people don't have anywhere to go, that's gonna create what, man? That's gonna create a very, very dangerous society, man, where people are gonna be at their backs are gonna be against the wall, and they're gonna be looking to get over on their neighbor, just to survive another day. And this is the world that this man is creating, because it's really not about money, because nobody's going to have money like that. You see, there's going to be a bigger gap between the haves and the have-nots. And it's going to be more in the have-not section than the haves. And that's what's coming, right? Let me grab a scripture. This is the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 12, verse 4. It says, and the doors shall be shut in the streets when the sound of the grinding is low, and he shall rise up at the voice of the bird, and all the daughters of music shall be brought low. All right. Actually, let me jump back up. It's Ecclesiastes 12. I'm gonna start at 3. In the day when the keepers of the house shall tremble, and the strong man shall bow themselves, and the grinders cease because they are few, right? And those that look out of the windows be darkened. So a future people look at future bound, they don't see no future. I was talking to my girl's father, right? He had said something to me, and he not in the truth, but he had said for the youth of the day and young people today, they really don't have no hope, man. He said this shit just straight honestly. They really don't have no hope, because back when this man was growing up, you had this opportunity, that opportunity. You go here and get a job and work. You can support yourself and the family. But those days are long gone, man. Those days are long gone. Everything is the app, the gig economy. You know, these things are not sustainable, right? And I always think about the Apostle Rakan makes a point about calling these the masses what? How the elite call the masses useless eaters, and that's basically how they're gonna view us. He was like the only thing left is depopulation because they're building a world and economy that can't support all these people, right? Salakia. It says, and the door shall be shut in the streets when the sound of the grinding is low, and he shall rise up at the voice of the bird, and all the daughters of music shall be brought low, right? And when they shall be afraid of that which is on high, the fear shall be in the way, and the almond tree shall flourish, and the grasshopper shall be a burden, and desire shall fail, because man goeth to his long home, and the mourners go about the street. It's gonna be bad, sad times, man. All right, people are gonna be out here, being reckless, not giving, don't care, right? You see the homeless population exploding, tent cities exploding, right? These are all signs of the time, and the corporations are what? Hey, they ramping up their robots, man. They like to hell with these people. You see, this is just another another pin to stick in the balloon, because this balloon has popped, man. All right, this thing has popped. But that's pretty much the point. I just want to touch on that real quick. I might leave a link to the article. I want to give all glory, praises, and honors to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, and shalom the next time.